For example, in the case of this, okay, so the limit is 160 as I said, and how to write it is simple. Start with the keyword. So what keyword we have? We have home loan interest rate, all banks, cheapest home. So get home. Let me copy that. You can say buy or you can say get home loan interest rate from top banks, from all banks. Okay, get home loan interest rate from all banks and any keyword I want to write, and get home loan interest rate from all banks. EMI starts at 700 rupees under it per lakh. Okay, per lakh per month. I believe I should write this way. Okay, so get home loan interest rate from all banks or all the banks, and then you can say EMI starts at the rate 7 lakh rupees per month. Uh, and look at the character limit again. Let's see how. Okay, we have around approximately 70, 80 words more. So what we can write is, and this sentence, then let's see what others have written. I can't from all top banks in India, like HDFC, comma, Axis, I don't know, comma, SBI, comma, ETC. Okay, and then EMI start at this. Okay, you can also write zero documentation fees if it is okay, whatever is the USP of your product. Then early closer is uh, zero fees on zero fee on documentation, early closer, whatever your USP of your product. Okay, and ETC, whatever you want to offer to your user. Okay, approximately you're at 150, 154. What we have done is we have included the keyword again, one or two keywords in it. Then we included some trademark keywords which might also help. You might also rank on HDFC home loan interest rate as well. Then EMI start is a USP of your product, and then this is primarily to get the attraction or talk about the USP of your product. Okay, so this USP of the product is really important because user will not click it. If my title says home loan best rates apply for home loans, he knows it. everyone will provide the best home loan. But how? It should be a direct comparison. Okay. So you can defeat your competitors in a single go. When you write 5 lakh, you write, because everyone is talking about interest rate. Here in the ad, only HDFC talk about the amount and put a start with. Okay. Because it will vary on their credit score, lot of stuff. Okay. So that is how you should write it. Start with your keyword, add more USP of your product. That's all. Yeah, Aditya, go ahead, please.
Any issues in mentioning a brand name in the title tag? Like if you are promoting one any particular bank's offer
You can include that.
in the title tag.
Yeah. But as your keyword, none of your keyword include brand and name into it. So there is no point including that.
Yeah, but
Okay, if
yet
you write
intentionally,
HDFC or SBI or any of them, then what
hmm,
happens is people will think you have only these two brands.
hmm,
Okay, so think of from a psychological perspective of a user as well. Chaitanya says, depends if we are providing loans, we only mention product USP in the title and meta. Yes, it depends. Uh, Whatever your product or service is, you have to just provide the USP of the product or service. Like, let's say you are providing digital marketing services, my description would be top a top digital marketing agency rated by XYZ company, have been working with XYZ clients. Okay, so this is my USP of my product, that I have been top rated agency. That is how I differentiate myself. So this is about differentiating yourself. This is about how you can portray that you are a better result always. Okay. Then next is meta keywords. Meta keywords is self-explanatory, and if I show it to you in one of the examples I was showing, meta name equal to keyword, content equal to, just put all the 5, 6 keywords you have. That's it. Okay. Over here, you don't have to put your brains, just put the keywords. That's all, separated by comma. Okay, nothing else. We have 5, 7 minutes left, so I will not touch this topic of heading because it will take around 20, 25 minutes and it's connected with other details as well. So we will not touch this topic today. We'll start from tomorrow. But before I go ahead, let's talk about this, which is a different topic which will take 5 minutes for you to understand, because we have talked about meta tags. It's become easier for you to understand now. Okay, so the topic is meta tag creation, how to do it. Okay, so first of all, everyone I know is not aware of uh, the coding. Even I'm not very coding person. I just know these tags which are related to SEO. I'm not a coder even, but you should know basic knowledge of coding. That helps you differentiate yourself from others. Nothing beyond that. It helps you in interviews. It helps you in getting things work done from your developer and design. So what happens is, first of all, you have to understand how an HTML page works. HTML page is primarily start with HTML tag. You write HTML and greater than and less than sign. This is for whenever there is this sign, this means it's a opening tag. Okay, and opening tag means there is no slash into it, just the word. like opening HTML tag, opening head tag, opening title tag. Okay. And when a slash comes with the same tag, okay, then it becomes closing tag. Like whatever I have to write in title, I have written in the title. Whatever I have to write in meta name equal to description, I slash close. Meta name equal to keyword slash close. Means whatever I have to write, I have written and it's done and it's closed. Okay. Now, one thing which you should know is a page, HTML page has two parts. One is head part. Okay, this is your head part. Then after that, there is a body part. Okay, what is head part and what is body part? Head part is not visible to the user. Okay, head part is primarily the part where you put all the meta descriptions. Okay, where you put all the meta keywords, titles, all the codes and everything, which should not be visible to the user. We will not destroy his user experience. Okay. And next is body part. Body part is primarily whatever content you want to show to your user is is placed in the uh, body part. Okay. So this is the big two parts in the HTML page. In meta part, in title, in header part, you will have title, you have meta description, you have meta keywords, you have meta robots, okay, and all the other codes for following it. Whereas in the body part, you have different headings, different content, different images, different links, different header, bar content, which is over here. Okay, all this comes under this body part. Okay. For more, you can learn it from W3 Schools if you want to really learn detail in it, or you can buy any Udemy course for it. So this is HTML part, which you should know basic of HTML. And in case somebody asks, he ask your developer that I want title tag मेरे को बताओ, so you will write this title tag and send it to him that please place it in the header part. He will do that. If you have to write meta description, you will write meta description this format and give it to him. Similarly is keyword, similarly is meta name equal to robot. I will tell you what robot and follow no follow is later on. Okay, so that is how uh, coding works in SEO a bit. You know it's better. If you don't know, that is also fine. Nobody will question you. You should know, but how to write title, description, keywords, and robot files, what you have to configure. Okay, nobody is going to ask you how to write the code, but if you know, it's always better. So that's all for today. Any question you have, please let me know. Otherwise, let's call off this class for today.
Sir, actually, last yesterday you said that finding the keywords,
Mhm.
and when I download in Google AdWords, it in average monthly search it was showing none,
Mhm.
and another part is showing maximum searches and minimum searches. Can I combine that? Means can I take the average of both of that?
No, for that, what I have told you is you have to use this tool that is SEMrush. Take all the keywords from Google and sign up, take a free trial of it, put your credit card in it and take a free trial, sign up, get the searches, and then you can close your trial as well so that you don't get charged.
I don't have credit card, so that's why I'm downloading from this one.
They take a credit card. We are not
Okay.
going to, they are not going to deduct any amount. Just they will
No,
check
actually,
for $1, is this card valid or not? That amount also they will reverse. And after using it in next 2-3 days, cancel the subscription. Okay. Otherwise,
okay,
they
sir.
will deduct the amount.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Aditya says, can you copy paste the codes? Aditya, this codes and content has been shared with the team, uh, LMS team. So LMS team will upload this content and will share, will be available on the LMS. So please check it from there. Okay.
Okay. And one more thing, is there a code for creating titles also? Like how do we add title tags on our website pages? Like, or like I
Yeah,
don't have a
there.
WordPress site.
If it is a WordPress, then you have to just install one plugin that is SEO use.
And if it is not a WordPress, it is on like core PHP.
Then you have to write the code. Okay, ask your developer to make a module for SEO and place it.
Achha. Is it part of GoDaddy also has some SEO tools?
No.
GoDaddy, where it is hosted?
No.
Sir, in average monthly searches, why it's showing none? Can you explain this? Means
Because
when
there
I
is
download
no
the
searches in it, or there is very less searches in it. That's why none. Okay. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Bye.